Hi, thank you for watching. In this video I'm just going to be unboxing this Caroma cistern. So unfortunately my current cistern is broken and it's seen better days, so I've needed to get a new one. So this model has inlets from both the right and the left side. So it comes with it on the right, but you can switch it over to the left. And the model. Warranty information. Installation instructions. Cover. So I found the screws for mounting it onto the wall. The current toilet system, so the actual flush mechanism is completely broken and it's actually leaking water as well. So, and this is actually quite an old model. I'm not actually able to find replacement parts for it. So I'm just gonna swap the whole system over. So I won't actually video the swapping over. I'll link you to other videos that has instructions on toilet cistern replacement.